Hello everybody, Jacob Kurtenbach here. Today I'm going to share a little bit of guided meditation, guided visualization, just sharing with you what's helped me. And what I come to understand is the more light that we understand, that we know how to hold, the easier it is to stay centered in difficult situations. So this, which I am about to share with you, continues to replay in my mind constantly, nonstop. So breathing in from as above, opening up, letting that white light come down through my body, cleansing and clearing anything that does not serve, going down deep into the earth, removing anything that does not serve, going deep into the earth, into the roots that I have grown that are deep down into the earth, which take everything that does not serve down into Mother Earth, releasing anything from my roots into Mother Earth as it decomposes and takes for nutrition. Breathing in the white light from the Mother Earth, breathing it in as it floats up through the body, continuing to go through the body with the white light up to heaven above, continuing to wash through the body, enlightening and enlivening our lives. As we breathe in the white light, breathing it in, down through the heavens above, through our body, down into the earth, removing, washing, cleansing anything that does not serve us, down into our roots that we have created, down into the earth, so strong as we are, just like the plants that continue to grow so effervescently, so beautifully and easily, removing anything. And as the earth continues to take it, she is just so happy to receive all of our decomposed garbage that does not serve us anymore, releasing it into the earth, down deep into the roots, continuing to remove anything that does not serve, shaking our roots off into the earth, breathing in deeply, breathing in from the earth, breathing it up through the body to heaven above, breathing back down, breathing in from heaven above, blowing down into the earth. So we're going back and forth between breathing in and then breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. It's going both ways. We're bringing in the light and we're breathing it out into the earth. We're breathing in from the earth and breathing it out into the heavens above. And as it starts coming out, it just starts overflowing like a cup that's overflowing. So it almost feels like it's just coming in and just overflowing with white light. And now, once we get that going and the white light is just overflowing, now we will have an egg. We are inside a golden egg, and inside this golden egg, we start packing the light that's starting to come down in, and it's just overflowing from within us, from our inner beauty. And so we have this egg that continues to be around us. It's a golden egg, and the golden egg has 1 inch thick of crust on it. And so while we're in our egg, the light's coming down in and going back out, and it's just so beautiful. And so we start holding it, and we're like looking in our egg. We're like, is there any spots that like there's any cracks? So start packing the light, packing, just packing the light into any of those cracks in our egg, which allows us to be connected to the earth as heaven above and allows us to fill up our light body. We can make the light come down around us as well to continue to create our auric field. And then we have our luminous egg cocoon, which allows us to keep holding more and more light. So there's light coming down around us, there's light going up, and then there's light that's even more packed into our egg. So the light is really packed into our egg, and we have a 1-inch thick crust around our egg, and it's like the crust of the earth. And so we're able to continue to pack our light. And so as I walk around everywhere, I am in my egg, and I'm in my luminous egg cocoon with my white light coming down, my white light around me, and this helps me to continue to stay centered. My white light around me, I continue to spin it whichever way feels best for me at the time. Counter or clockwise is like planting a seed, and counterclockwise is growing the seed. So whichever point that you're in helps to spin the light in that direction, for me anyways. So now that we're in this luminous egg cocoon and we have this white light inside, it feels really nice and cozy in here. And inside this golden egg, as I look around, and I just see that I've gotten all the cracks. And now, another part here, which is really beautiful, is that we all have a rose as well. So anytime that we're in a difficult conversation, whoever it's with, so we would have a rose, and our rose is planted in the ground outside of our egg. The next person is in their egg, and they have a rose, and they're planted inside the ground. And now I speak to my rose. This is for difficult charged situations. So I speak to my rose, and it goes down in the ground, and it removes anything that does not serve any negative connotation with what conversation that we're having. So it removes anything that does not serve, and then it pops up into their egg, and it's just love. So they only receive the love. And so when somebody's talking to me, I envision that they're in their egg and they're talking to their rose, and it's going down into the ground, cleansing, clearing, cleaning anything that does not serve, and then popping up in my egg, and it's only love coming in. So when we're able to see this and have it in our mind's eye, it releases the negative charge that may be coming from a heated, difficult conversation. So I am very, very grateful for these teachings, because they have helped me so much to be able to continue to stay calm in difficult conversations, in communicating. So I learned this from my dear sister, good friend, Akira. So thank you, Akira. I appreciate you and the knowledge that you share, helping us to continue to hold white light and remove anything that does not serve when in conversation that may be difficult. So I hope this all finds you well, and that you practice working on letting your light overflow while continuing to contain it in your luminous egg cocoon. May you feel so nice and cozy and warm inside, and may this practice help to remove anything that does not serve when in difficult conversations. So thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure sharing, and it really excites me. And like, share, donate, share comments, whatever feels good to you. I hope this helps you in your life, in your friends, in your family, with your loved ones. Be well and have fun. Leading with kindness. Adios.